last year had been very much difficult for all of us. Due to this pandemic, everyone has suffered a lot. But coming to the studies, I have not seen any type of sacrifice or ignorance. Firstly, I didn't know how to manage with the online classes, but after seeing the efforts of teachers, hats off. I mean everything from online classes to assignments, the PTMs, and especially the interaction classes with the kids. We have virtual celebration of every festival, and then a combined video of all the children performing. It's too good. I mean, personally, teachers are doing a great job, and I personally want to thank you. Thank you so much.
Is the best among all the schools in the area. Its name only is its identity, which it has attained through hard work. Whatever we say in its praise is less. Teachers are marvelous. They are creative, diligent, intelligent, very creative, intelligent, and they teach the child with the help of flashcards, activities, and by video calling also.
There is a large number of Corona warriors going the extra mile to battle the pandemic. We dedicate 2021 to all those countless, nameless, faceless individuals who selflessly protect us, defend us, help us, treat us, and moreover who keep us alive. They all deserve our thanks and respect, along with all Corona warriors. The one community who is not actually awarded as Corona warriors, but from my point of view, they are also Corona warriors. That is our teaching community. When 2020 started, nobody thought that in the coming session, students would not be going to school, but the school or the teachers would be coming to their place, that is virtually at their home. And our teaching community has perfectly executed this through online teaching by sharing their lectures through PPTs and perfect videos. I want to thank each and every teacher or each and every individual for their support at every point of time when my children require them. Although it was difficult, especially for those who are not tech savvy, or we can say who are not having the technical background, to fight with this online teaching, but the teachers of APS has done it very wonderfully. Although the children were not going to school, but teachers of my children never ever missed any occasion to celebrate virtually. Last but not the least, I would like to thank the management of APS who give each and every kind of support to their teachers, to their staff, to reach to their student virtually at their home. Thank you.
As we know, due to corona pandemic, all the schools are closed and online classes are going on. So here I want to thank all the teachers and principals and management staff for conducting online classes very efficiently and teaching with all kids loving activities and with so much love and so much fun. In this hard time, it's really very appreciable that teacher not only provide online classes but also conduct all other school activities and co-curricular activities like prayer, teaching good manners, healthy habits, etc. And for all these, teacher always connected with student through video calls and oral assessment of student. I also salute to the teachers for virtual day celebration of all the important days and festivals in such a nice way. And thank you for providing dance class, yoga and sports class, and card making and other activity classes. With it, teachers and principals always motivated kids to take part in all the school activities. Thank you for providing ample of opportunities for all-round development of kids. Thank you.
APS के सारे टीचर बहुत अच्छी वीडियो बनाकर बच्चों को सेंड करते हैं, बच्चे उनसे लर्न करते हैं और अच्छी अच्छी एक्टिविटीज़ करते हैं.
I am mother of 2 little kids. I am worried about their studies because their studies also get affected through this pandemic and lockdown. They read in Akasan Public School, Kurukshetra. Their teachers started online studies and sent videos through net or any other communication way, or students can't understand easily, but the teachers of Agarsen Public School make teaching learning process very interesting, more lively, and even activity based, interesting, knowledgeable. Even they are in touch with their students time to time. They call them, even they video call them and talk about their daily routine, their eating habits, and and as they can do their best, they are doing. So I am very impressed with them, and videos sent by them are very interesting and easily understandable. Teachers' hard work, loyalty, dedication towards their work, and their love towards their students also shown in the videos. That's really admirable, and as a parent I salute them.
नमस्कार। जैसा कि आप सभी को मालूम है कि कोरोना वायरस पूरे विश्व में एक वैश्विक महामारी बनकर आया। इसने हमारे जीवन को काफी प्रभावित किया। इस महामारी के खिलाफ हमारे डॉक्टर्स, पुलिसकर्मी, सफाई कर्मी एवं जिला प्रशासन तो जी जान से जुटे ही हुए हैं, लेकिन मेरा मानना है कि इस वैश्विक महामारी में शिक्षक भी कोरोना वॉरियर बनकर अहम भूमिका निभा रहे हैं। मेरा बेटा तने शर्मा अगरसेन पब्लिक स्कूल का विद्यार्थी है। मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं कि अगरसेन पब्लिक स्कूल ने इस विपरीत घड़ी में भी अपने विद्यार्थियों को पढ़ाई से वंचित नहीं रहने दिया। उन्होंने ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के माध्यम से बच्चों को शिक्षित करने का बीड़ा उठाया, जो कि एक सराहनीय कार्य भी रहा। उन्होंने बच्चों के लिए एक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप तैयार किया और पाठ्यक्रम के अनुसार छोटे छोटे वीडियो लेक्चर भेजकर बच्चों को शिक्षित करने का भरसक प्रयास किया। समय समय पर ऑनलाइन कल्चर प्रोग्राम्स, क्लास टेस्ट, वर्कशीट इत्यादि भेजे, जिससे हमारा बच्चा इस महामारी में घर पर रहकर भी अच्छे से पढ़ सका। इन सभी मूलभूत कार्यों के लिए मैं अगरसेन पब्लिक स्कूल के प्रशासन, प्रिंसिपल व अध्यापकों को बधाई देता हूं तथा आशा करता हूं कि आप भविष्य में भी ऐसे ही अपने विद्यार्थियों को अच्छे से शिक्षित करें, जिससे वह आपके स्कूल व देश का नाम रोशन कर सकें। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
I am very thankful to all the teachers for giving their valuable knowledge and experience, sharing experience with my child. एंड ऑल्सो जितने भी लॉकडाउन पीरियड के दौरान जो भी वीडियोस आपने शेयर की और जितनी भी एक्टिविटीज़ फेस्टिवल्स के अकॉर्डिंगली परफॉर्म हुई हैं, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी फॉर these videos and activities also, and my child also create very much more interest in all the videos, चाहे वो आपकी स्टोरी वीडियोस हों, चाहे वो आपकी सिलेबस के रिगार्डिंग वीडियोस हो। जैसे ही मतलब वीडियो हम ऑन करते थे तो जितने मतलब जो मेरी बेटी है एकदम से एक्टिव हो जाती थी कि मम्मा मम्मा क्या आया है वीडियो में, दिखाओ ज़रा। तो वो हमारे लिए बहुत इजी टास्क हो गया कि आपने इतनी हेल्प करी हमारे चाइल्ड के लिए, और इजी हो जाता था हमारे लिए क्लास में जो भी वर्क था उसको इजी टास्क बनाना। सो बेस्ट टीचर उन्हीं को बोलते हैं जो डिफ़िकल्ट टास्क को एकदम से ईजियर टास्क में कैसे कन्वर्ट करें। एंड टाइमली जो भी असेसमेंट्स थी, जो भी वर्कशीट्स थी, वो आप टाइमली चेक करके और एक तरह से मतलब उनका जज करना कि किस तरह से बच्चा इम्प्रूव कर रहा है डे बाय डे, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो द वेरी गुड थिंग। एंड लास्ट में मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि दिस इज़ द बेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर एवरी चाइल्ड एंड फॉर द एवरी पेरेंट। सो थैंक यू very much.
Appreciate the efforts taken by teachers in providing online classes at this difficult time of lockdown. We all know it's not possible for children to attend the classes at this time, which could result in loss of their studies, but I'm really happy by the steps taken by your school to continue providing online classes. It is really appreciable that teachers are conducting not only subject-related classes, but also other curricular activities like prayer, yoga, dance, teaching good manners, healthy habits and good manners, and story time, etc. I also appreciate the efforts of teachers for the virtual celebration of all the festivals in such a nice way. The teachers have been able to clear all the concepts through videos in a very effective manner. My daughter's knowledge of basic concepts is improving on daily basis. Also, she feels very comfortable during the interaction session with the teachers. We feel very proud that our child got admission in such an innovative and disciplined school under the supervision of dynamic staff. Thank you.
मैं ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि जो 2020 गया है अब, तो उसमें बहुत सबने पूरे विश्व ने ही सहन किया है जो ये कोविड-19 हुआ। तो बहुत समस्याएं उस समय हुई हैं, हर समय पर काफ़ी दिक्कतें, सबको परेशानियां हुई हैं। और इसमें से एक थी बच्चों की पढ़ाई का, जो बच्चे स्कूल नहीं जा पाए, और इसका न्यू एडमिशन था तो ये भी नहीं जा पाया। तो इस चक्कर में इनकी पढ़ाई का बहुत नुकसान होने जा रहा था। पर आप लोगों ने बहुत सपोर्ट किया है कि बच्चे घर पर बैठकर, उस वजह से आपने जो वीडियोस बनाई, जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स के थ्रू, जो घर पे ऑब्जेक्ट्स थे उसके थ्रू आपने जो बच्चे सीख सकते थे अच्छे से अंदर तक उनको समझाने और सिखाने का जो भी काम किया है, बहुत उससे हम बहुत सराहना करते हैं आपकी। सब टीचर्स को, प्रिंसिपल मैम को मेरा नमस्ते और धन्यवाद।